What if you could create videos like these with just one click and even earn passive income from them? Today, I'm going to show you an AI tool that can generate high quality, viral style videos from just a single idea. No need to write a script, no need to create a storyboard, and no need to spend hours editing. Just tell Flova AI what you want to create, and it handles everything from planning to an export ready video because it's your personal AI video agent partner. So today, let's test Flova AI, explore its features, build a real project, and find out whether it truly lives up to its promises. So let's get started. Once you log into Flova AI, you're greeted with a clean and easy to use dashboard. Just enter your idea, and Flova AI starts building your project from planning the script and storyboard to generating the final video. One feature I really like is the wide range of AI models available. Instead of being limited to one AI, you can choose the best model for each task. For images, you get access to models like GPT Image 2, Midjourney version 7, and Seedream 4.5. For video generation, there are powerful options such as Cdance 2.0, Kling 3.0 Omni, Veo 3.1, and Sora. It also supports AI music with Suno and Murph AI, plus realistic voiceovers using 11 Labs and other leading voice models. Overall, Flova AI brings image generation, video creation, music, and voiceovers into one platform, so you don't have to switch between multiple tools throughout your workflow. Another feature I like is the skills library that offers a wide range of ready-made AI workflows for creating product reviews, UGC ads, anime videos, short films, commercials, social media content, and much more. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can simply choose a workflow and get started in minutes. Overall, Flova AI brings image generation, video creation, music, voiceovers, and editing into one platform, making the entire creative process much simpler. Now let's test one of Flova AI's most interesting features, reference to video remix. Instead of starting from scratch, this feature lets you upload a reference video and analyze its cinematic style, camera movement, pacing, editing rhythm, and overall storytelling. Flova AI then uses that inspiration to generate a completely new video based on your own idea. For this demo, I'm going to use a popular YouTube Shorts channel called Jelly Jam Studio. This channel creates AI-generated animated food story videos that consistently attract hundreds of thousands and sometimes millions of views. I'll select one of these viral shorts as my reference. The goal isn't to copy the original video, but to let Flova AI learn its visual style and storytelling structure, then create a brand new video with completely different characters, scenes, and story while maintaining a similar cinematic feel. Now let's test one of Flova AI's most impressive features, reference to video remix. All I have to do is upload a reference video, type a simple prompt like create a trending video in a similar style, and click send. Instead of generating the video right away, Flova AI first analyzes the reference. It studies the visual style, camera angles, pacing, lighting, editing, and storytelling, then automatically creates a production plan and storyboard. What I really like is that it doesn't force you to use the first result. Before moving to the next step, you can review everything and make changes. If the storyboard scenes or pacing don't match what you have in mind, you can easily edit them until you're happy with the final plan. Next, Flova AI generates the media assets, including the main character and background, while keeping everything visually consistent. Again, if you're not satisfied with the generated assets, you can simply regenerate or edit them before continuing. Once everything looks good, Flova AI uses Cdance 2.0 to generate the final animation. Because it already analyzed the reference and prepared the storyboard, the final video maintains smooth camera movement, consistent characters, and a cinematic style while still creating original content. The last step is generating the audio. Flova AI creates matching background music and sound effects, lets you preview different versions, and automatically syncs everything with the video. Finally, just click Assemble Final Video, and within a few moments, your project is ready to export. After comparing my generated video with the original reference, I was genuinely impressed. The pacing and visual quality are very similar, but the final result is still an original video. Overall, I like that the entire workflow, from analyzing the reference video to creating the storyboard, generating assets, producing the animation, and adding audio, happens inside one platform. And since you can review and edit each stage before moving forward, it's easy to fine-tune the project until it matches exactly what you have in mind. Before we finish, let's take a quick look at the pricing. Flova AI offers flexible monthly and yearly plans, including Starter, Basic, and Pro, so you can choose what fits your needs. If you ever need more credits, you can simply recharge them without upgrading your plan. If you'd like to try Flova AI, use the official link in the description to sign up and get 100 credits instantly. Plus, you can earn an additional 200 credits by exploring Flova AI. Overall, Flova AI combines powerful AI video creation tools into one easy-to-use platform. If you'd like to learn more or try Flova AI for yourself, you'll find the official link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.